When discussing the state of the job market and economy, two terms often come up: unemployment rate and jobless rate. While these terms are frequently used interchangeably, they have distinct meanings and provide different insights into the state of the labor market. Let's explore the difference between the unemployment rate and the jobless rate. Unemployment rate. The unemployment rate measures the percentage of individuals in the labor force who are unemployed but actively seeking employment. Jobless rate. The jobless rate measures the percentage of individuals who are without work, regardless of whether they are actively seeking employment or not. Labor force. The labor force is made up of individuals who are either employed or unemployed but actively seeking employment. Inactivity. Individuals who are inactive, such as those who are not seeking employment, are not included in the labor force and are not counted in the unemployment rate. U6 rate. The U6 rate, also known as the underemployment rate, measures both the unemployed and those who are working part-time but seeking full-time work. Monthly data collection. Both the unemployment rate and jobless rate are measured monthly through surveys and data collection. Data sources. The Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, is the primary source for both the unemployment rate and jobless rate data in the United States. Comparison. While the unemployment rate provides a snapshot of the labor market for individuals actively seeking employment, the jobless rate provides a broader picture of the state of the labor market for all individuals, regardless of their employment status. Interpretation. The difference between the unemployment rate and jobless rate can impact the interpretation of the state of the job market and economy. Informing policy. Both the unemployment rate and jobless rate inform policy decisions related to job creation, labor market support, and economic stimulus. If you're interested in learning about wealth, we highly recommend you download a copy of Adella Pasos' best-selling book. Click the link below to learn more. If this information was valuable to you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.